Good morning, my dear students. I am happy to meet you all once again through such video presentations. In the previous two videos, we have discussed the section A, section B of model paper 1 of term 2 of CBSE class 12. In this particular video presentation, we will proceed with the remaining 4 sums of the same paper. Share the videos with your friends. You can advise them to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button as well as the bell icon. Subscription has no charges. The very idea of subscription is to get automatic notification when a new video is being uploaded in the channel. Now the question goes like this. Evaluate integral minus 1 to 3 mod x minus 1 plus mod x plus 1 dx. Now listen carefully. You mean to say mod x minus 1 becomes x minus 1 if x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0, 1 minus x if x minus 1 less than 0. This is the real meaning of modulus function. Now it is reduced to x minus 1 if x greater than or equal to 1, 1 minus x if x less than 1. Similarly, I end up with mod x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1 if x greater than or equal to minus 1. It will be minus of x plus 1 if x less than minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 to 3 mod x minus 1 plus mod x plus 1 dx. What I will do here is, I will make it into two integrals simply. Minus 1 to 3 mod x minus 1 dx plus minus 1 to 3 mod x plus 1 dx. Here, below 1 it is 1 minus x. Therefore, I will write it as minus 1 to 1 minus x dx plus 1 to 3 x minus 1 dx I will end up with. But for every value above minus 1 it is simply x plus 1. Therefore minus 1 to 3 there is only one integral automatically. This is simply reduced to x plus 1. There is no negative value here. For every value below minus 1 it is simply minus x plus 1. Every value minus 1 above minus 1 it is x plus 1. Therefore I end up with x minus x squared by 2 minus 1 to 1 plus x square by 2 minus x 1 to 3, then of course x square by 2 plus x minus 1 to 3. Let me apply the upper limit 1 minus 1 by 2 minus, it will be minus 1 by 2. Of course here it is 9 by 2 minus 9 minus, I will end up with 1 by 2 minus 1. Then of course this will be 9 by 2 plus 9. And of course here it will be 1 by 2 minus 1. Therefore here it automatically ends up with half plus 3 by 2, then plus 9 by minus 9 by 2, sorry, it is minus 9 by 2 finally here for the next term. It is minus 9 by 2. Okay, of course plus half plus this will be 27 by 2. Here of course plus half. Am I right? This will be plus half. Yeah. Now for let me add. Everywhere you have 2 in the denominator. It will be 1 plus 3 minus 9 plus 1 plus 27 plus 1. Now for 4, 5, 6. Therefore 27 plus is 33, 33 by 9 is 23, 23 by 2 will be the final answer. Let me just check since the answer is with me. 23 by 2 will be the final answer. Am I right? 9 by 2, where am I going wrong? Somewhere else I am wrong, I think. 1 second, there is something wrong in the simplification. Let me check only this part. Let me check this part. 1 minus 1 by 2 minus minus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 9 by 2 minus 3 it is, sorry. It is minus 3, not 9. Sorry. 9 by 2 minus 3, there is a small correction. Minus half minus 1 plus 9 by 2 plus 3 again. Here I took it as square, sorry, it is not x square. 9 by 2 plus 3 and half minus 1. Now for this will be half, this will be plus 3 by 2, this will be 3 2s are 6, therefore again plus 3 by 2 here, plus 3 by 2, this is half, this is of course 15 by 2 here, this is 15 by 2, C for the correction, sorry, simplification you have to be very careful, then plus half. Now for it's finally reduced to, let me just add the numerators everywhere, 4 plus 3 7, 8, 9, 24 by 2, which is reduced to 12. We just repeat the whole process. Just see here, minus 1 to 3 mod x minus 1 mod x plus 1 dx is minus 1 to 3 mod x minus 1 dx plus minus 1 to 3 mod x plus 1 dx. Minus 1 to 1 it is 1 minus x. For 1 to 3 it is x minus 1 because of this. Minus 1 to 3 it is x plus 1 because of this. Now for x minus x square by 2 minus 1 to 1 plus x square by 2 minus x 1 to 3 plus x square by 2 plus x minus 1 to 3. Upper limit gives you 1 minus half minus lower limit gives you minus 1 by 2 plus upper limit gives you 9 by 2 minus 3. There was an error here. I corrected anyway, just see here 9 by 2 minus 3 minus lower limit half minus 1 plus upper limit 9 by 2 plus 3. Here again I took it as x square, sorry, 9 by 2 plus 3 minus half minus 1. I think here it is half plus 3 by 2, 2 3s are 6, 9 minus 6 is again 3 by 2 plus again half plus 9 plus 6, 15, 15 by 2 plus half. 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8, 9, 15 plus 9 is 24, 24 by 2 happens to be 12. The final answer is 12. I hope it is clear. Only for the last simplification you check carefully and then learn. Check carefully how to go about the simplification over there. Check the calculations carefully. Okay, there shouldn't be any error like the one I made at the beginning. I took it as x square instead of x, sorry. Next, find the area of the smaller region bounded between x square plus y square equal 100 and x plus y equal 10 using integration. Just see, this is the question. See the question if you want. This is the question given to you. Okay, just see here. I'll just draw the diagram, rough diagram. Okay, this is the diagram meant for us. This is x dash ox, y o y dash. This point is 10 comma 0. This point is 0 comma 10. This is minus 10 comma 0, 0 comma minus 10. This will be the required region. Okay. Now you need to write, I'll just dictate x square plus y square equal 100. The circle is center 0 0. Radius 10 units, passing through 10 comma 0, minus 10 comma 0, 0 comma 10, 0 comma minus 10, and it is symmetric with respect to both the axes. I repeat, x square plus y square is 100 is a straight line, sorry, is a circle, sorry, circle passing center 0 0, radius 10 units, passing through 10 comma 0, minus 10 comma 0, 0 comma 10, 0 comma minus 10. It is symmetric with respect to both the axes. X plus y equal to 10 is the straight line passing through 10 comma 0, 0 comma 10. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, accordingly you get the corresponding points. The smaller region is required, therefore this is the required region. Okay, this much explanation you should have given at the beginning. Okay, from the diagram we see that given circle and given line intersect at A 10 comma 0, B 0 comma 10. These are the 2 points. I'll take one more point over here. Required area is equal to smaller area which is shaded. See the diagram. Here I mean to say area OACB minus area of triangle OAB. area below the circle minus area below the straight line. This is how you should look at it. Area below the circle minus area below the straight line. This is 0 to 10 root of 100 minus x square dx minus 0 to 10 10 minus x dx. Okay. Now here I mean to say x by 2 root of 100 minus x square plus 100 by 2 sine inverse x by 10. This is 0 to 10 minus 10x minus x square by 2, 0 to 10. For here I mean to say 0 plus 50 sine inverse 1 minus 0 minus 0. X0 here, sine inverse 0 is 0. Minus 100 minus 100 by 2 minus 0 minus 0. For here I mean to say 50 into pi by 2 minus 100 by 2 becomes 50. Therefore 50 into pi by 2 minus 1. Therefore 25 into pi minus 2 square units. That is the final answer. 25 into pi minus 2 square units. Let me just repeat. From the diagram we see that given circle and the given line intersect at the 2 points. Just remember that carefully. A 10, 0, B 0, 10. Required area, the smaller area which is being shaded. Area OACB minus area of triangle OAB. Area below the circle minus area below the straight line. 0 to 10. From the triangle I will get it to be y is root of 100 minus x square dx minus 0 to 10. From the straight line I will get it to be y is equal to 10 minus x. And for this is by formula x by 2 root of 100 minus x square plus 100 by 2 sine inverse x by 10 0 to 10 minus 10x minus x square by 2 0 to 10. Apply upper limit. 100 minus 100 becomes 0. 50 sine inverse 1 minus 0 sine inverse 0 is also 0. 100 minus 100 by 2. Therefore 50 into pi by 2. Sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. Minus 100 by 2 becomes 50. 50 into pi by 2 minus 1. 50 by 2 becomes 25. 25 into pi minus 2 square units is the final answer. Understand and then do please. It's not at all difficult. But give the explanation for drawing the diagram which I just dictated. I didn't write on the board. Okay. Give explanation for the diagram. That's also important. The teacher should know how you drew the diagram. The teacher should know. Okay. Anyway, next one goes like this. Find the foot of the perpendicular from 1, 3, 4 to the plane 3x plus y plus 2z equal to 28. Just see, this is the question given to you. Read the question if you want. This is the question given to you. Okay, see here. Let me draw the diagram, rough diagram. This is A 1, 3, 4. Okay, let me draw the perpendicular. This is my B. This is my x. 3x plus y plus 2z is equal to 28. Okay, this is my normal n vector. Okay, now let point 1, 3, 4 be A. I call it as A. Okay, given plane is 3x plus y plus 2z is equal to 8. Sorry, 28. Let it be. Draw AB perpendicular to 1. Let B be x1, y1, z1. AB has AB vector or line AB, either way you can write, has drs. What are the drs here? x1 minus 1, y1 minus 3, z1 minus 4. Now drs of normal n vector to 1 are, what are they? 3, 1, 2. Coefficient of x, y, z will be the corresponding drs of the normal. Now AB vector, n vector are parallel. See the diagram. Therefore, they both have proportional drs. Therefore, I write x1 minus 1 is equal to 3k, y1 minus 3, y1 minus 3 is equal to k, and z1 minus 4 is equal to 2k, which will imply you x1 is equal to 3k plus 1, y1 is equal to k plus 3, z1 is equal to 2k plus 4. Now B is a point on 1. B satisfies 1. Just listen carefully. I mean to say 3x1 plus y1 plus 2z1 is equal to 28, which implies thrice of 3k plus 1 plus k plus 3 plus twice of 2k plus 4 is equal to 28, which implies 9k plus k plus 4k plus here 3 plus h is equal to 28, which implies 14k is equal to 14, which implies k is 1. K becomes 1. Therefore, B is, how do I get a point B? B here is 3 plus 1, which is 4. Okay, then 1 plus 3, which is 4. 2 plus 4, which is 6. Therefore, foot of the perpendicular now becomes 4, 4, 6. Let me just repeat. Let the point 134 be A. Given plane is 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 28. I call it as 1. Draw AB perpendicular at 1. I assume B to be x1, y1, z1. AB vector has drs x1 minus 1, y1 minus 3, z1 minus 4. drs of normal n vector to 1 or, see it is being drawn here, 3, 1, 2. AB vector, n vector are parallel, see the diagram. They both have proportional drs. For x1 minus 1 will be is equal to 3k, y1 minus 3 is equal to k, z1 minus 4 is equal to 2k. x1 becomes 3k plus 1, y1 becomes k plus 3, z1 becomes 2k plus 4. x1, y1, z1 is a point on the plane, therefore satisfies the equation of the plane. 3x1 plus y1 plus 2 z1 is 28. 3 into 3k plus 1 plus k plus 3 plus 2 into 2k plus 4 is equal to 28. 9k plus k plus 4k is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 8 is equal to 28. 28 minus 14 becomes 14. 5 plus 9, 14k is equal to 14k is 1. Therefore, 3 plus 1 becomes 4, 1 plus 3 becomes 4, 2 plus 4 becomes 6. Therefore, foot of the perpendicular from 134 drawn to the plane becomes B 4, 4, 6. This is the way you are supposed to do. This is the way you are supposed to do. Okay, this is the way you are supposed to do. Just one more problem is left out for this particular paper. I'll just explain quickly. Okay, the question now goes like this. Just see here. I'll read the question and show it to you as usual. There are two boxes, box A and box B. Box A has 7 red balls and 3 blue balls. Box B has 8 red balls and 2 blue balls. 2 balls are shifted from box A to box B without noticing the colors. Now one ball is chosen at random from box B. Find the probability the chosen ball from box B is red in color. Subdivision 2, find the probability that chosen ball from box B is blue in color. See, this is the question, you can read for just 1 second. Just by looking at the question, you may immediately think that it's a question on Bayes' theorem. It is not so, it's ordinary logic. Okay, see here, P of choosing a red ball, from box B, red ball from box B, okay, secondly, I write it as secondly, okay, I write it as secondly, box B secondly is equal to P of shifting 2 red balls from A to B and choosing a red ball from box B, plus what is the second possibility? P of shifting two blue balls from A to B and choosing one red ball from box B, plus P of shifting one red, one blue from A to B and selecting one red ball from box B. These are the different possibilities you should think about. How many red balls there initially? Now for this will be 7C2 by 10C2. That's the meaning. Into number of red balls gets increased. The second case, that is 10 by 12. Total number of balls becomes 12. Okay, plus there are 3 blue balls initially. Therefore, it will be 3C2 by 10C2. Number of red balls remains the same here. It is 8 by 12. Then plus shifting one red, one blue. 7C1 into 3C1 divided by 10C2 into number of red balls increased by 1. This is 9 by 12. The reduction part I think you can do on your own. It gets reduced to 141 by 180. You can just see if you want. You can check the answer if you want. Okay, check the final answer. Reduction part you can think over. You can do on your own. Similarly, for the second possibility, I am shifting two red balls, let us say, for 7C2 by 10C2 into, I am choosing a blue ball here. How many blue are here now? 2 blue balls are there. Now for 2 by 12. Plus, selecting 2 blue balls. This is 3C2 by 10C2. Number of blue balls gets increased by 2. 4 by 12. Then selecting 1 blue, 1 red. 3C1 by 10C2. Same application goes over here. Number of blue balls gets increased by only 1. Now for 7C2 by 10C2 into 2 by 12 plus 3C2 by 10C2 and 4 by 12. This is the answer for the second possibility. Okay. And 7C1 and 3C1 by 10C2 into 3 by 12. And there the reduction happens to be 13 by 60. 13 by 60. I repeat the whole process. I am shifting 2 red balls. Now for 7C2 by 10C2. I am choosing 1 red ball. There are 10 red balls. Total number of balls is 12. 10 by 12. I am shifting 2 blue balls. 3C2 by 10C2. Number of red balls remain the same. 8 by 12. Shifting 1 red, 1 blue. 7C1 and 3C1 by 10C2. Number of red balls gets increased by 1. So it will be 9 by 12. The reduction you just check on your own. Okay, I don't want to waste my time on this. Then after this here, same application, 7C2 by 10C2 into number of blue balls remains the same, 2 by 12. Plus 3C2 by 10C2, number of blue balls other than this, 4 by 12. 7C1 and 3C1 by 10C2, other than this, 3 by 12. The reduction here gets reduced to 13 by 60, 13 by 60. You can just check if you want. The reduction part you can check on your own if you want. Okay, the argument is always like this. It's not a problem on Bayes theorem. Don't ever come to the conclusion any problem of that type will be obviously always under Bayes theorem. It need not be always. I think it's clear to everybody except for the simplification part. I have explained everything. Okay, simplification you just write it down in a notebook and then try. Okay, the rest we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you students for patient watching. Just a small correction. The problem on area under the curve, just one of the places. From the circle we get y is equal to root of 100 minus x square. By mistake it was said as from the triangle. From the circle we get y is equal to root of 100 minus x square. It's a small correction. Make the correction and then turn. Thank you.